Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to zoom in Filmora. So basically guys, there is multiple ways to zoom inside of your projects in Filmora. But first of all, let's get ahead and open Filmora. After that, let's go ahead and open our previous project if you have it already, or let's create a new project. So let's create a new one. And here, let's drag any kind of file, image, or whatever thing we want to zoom in. So for example, let's drag this and I will drag it over here. Now I will choose that, and as you can see, there is this way of zooming in, which is like uh moving the edges of the video or the image in. So as you can see, it is moved in and move out. Also there is this method which is let me just make it clear in and out. So let me just drag it back on where it was at the beginning, so something like that. All right, something like so. Okay, that works. So you can just go, for example, to a clip. So for example, here, I will split this, split it over here as well. So something like that. And I will split it here. So split here, and I will go to this clip and I will click in here. So crop. So in crop, I will go here and click to on zoom, and what I wanted to start here, for example, and it will end somewhere in here. Let's drag this down, and yeah, so if I did this, look how it will be looking. So it will look something like that, zoom in, and then it will go back where it was at the beginning. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually zoom in Filmora. So there's two ways, which is dragging the image from the edges, and the second one, which is just going to the video and go to crop and then zoom from the crop. So yeah guys, that's how you can actually zoom inside of Filmora. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video.